The SOLIDWORKS Knowledge Base and My.Solidworks are both great online resources for you to access to get help or expand your knowledge on all things SOLIDWORKS. But when should you use one over the other? Let's look at the knowledge base first. This is predominantly designed for more technical information and assistance on troubleshooting problems with SOLIDWORKS. For example, let's say you have just upgraded to the latest release of SOLIDWORKS, and now when you add a dimension, the diameter symbol is missing, and instead it's replaced with the text MOD-DIAM. Let's type in that text MOD-DIAM into the knowledge base and hit search. We get 34 results. The second result describes our issue perfectly, but if you do need to filter your results down, the left-hand side has a range of filters available. Product, release, language. Select what you need to filter the results. Once you've found the information, just click on it to view. Here we can see a comprehensive guide on what we need to do to rectify the problem. On the other hand, My.Solidworks is designed as an online hub to bring SOLIDWORKS information together. This means that it's great if you need how-to support or want to learn areas of the software that you're not sure of. Let's take a look at an example. Structure System is a new way of working with welded frameworks. So let's say we wanted to find out a bit more about it. The default search will include everything, but we can choose from CAD models, training, or more. We can filter our results. I'd like to learn more about the structure system, so I'll filter by training, and straight away I can see a lesson called Introduction to Structure System. Perfect. A 14-minute video going over the fundamentals of the tool. Just what I wanted. Both resources are excellent sources of self-help information, but do have slightly different use cases. You'll get better results if you use the right one for your type of problem. Happy searching!